Hi, I'm Alex from Edmonds. We're here today to have a look at Sunnyside on Old Lewes Hill here in the Lewes Valley. Before we go inside, I just want to show you a little bit about the local area. Directly opposite the property is the allotments for any keen gardeners wanting to grow their own fruit or veg. And what village isn't complete without a local pub? Fancy a pint, Jack?
Alex, it's 10 a.m.
Maybe an ice cream. Let's go. And the real centre point of the village is this, the causeway. A footpath that leads alongside the river, all the way from the Chequers down to Kirkdale, connecting up to the main footpaths leading into the Lewes Valley itself. The local footpaths running through the Lewes Valley go all the way down, all the way from Lewes Village itself, all the way to Bockingford and Hale Mill. Fantastic family walks, especially on summer days. There's sheep, chickens, all sorts for the children to see and do. Plenty for the whole family. Not only is Lewes a beautiful, picturesque English village, but it's also steeped in history. The village itself actually dates back to Anglo-Saxon times. And behind me here you'll see an ancient yew tree that dates back at least 1,500 years old. It's actually one of the oldest trees in Britain. The village grew up around the stream, around a number of mills, and even to this day the remnants of 13 of these mills can still be seen scattered across the Lewes Valley. And talking of history, on Old Lewes Hill itself you'll notice a number of these hallstones. Once upon a time these would have been used as horse and carts went up and down the hill, give the horses a rest, tie the carts, the hallstone itself taking the weight. Another little piece of history. And then there's the house itself. On the left hand side here you'll see the older part of the house, but the house had a number of extensions. It's been extended behind, it's been extended out to the right, and it's been extended out to the right again. But we'll show you that bit by bit. Let's go take a look inside. As you can see, we're in the older part of the house. To the side here, you've got a very useful reception room, currently used as an office, sometimes a bit of storage. You've got the lounge at the back. The kitchen on the right. What they use is another bedroom down in the basement. And then the far right, you've got the games room, which I'll take you to in a moment. First, let's take a look upstairs. And upstairs, off of the hallway, you've got your family bathroom and 3 good-sized double bedrooms. The 2 on this side of the house enjoying fantastic views across the Lewes Valley. And the bedroom on this side of the house enjoying fantastic views out across the orchards. And the other hidden gem is this, currently used as a beauty parlour, but ideal for any home business. So if you've been looking for a family home in a fantastic location for a long period of time, and you think that this could be your big break, then call Edmonds and take a look. Before we take a look inside, I just want to show you a little bit about. Let's go take a walk. I might need to say let's go take a walk again, mightn't I? Just got to think what I'm going to say. The local footpaths, Australian. There's sheep, chickens, all sorts of the animals for the children to see and do. The village grew up around the stream. The village grew up around the stream with a number of mills. The The village grew up around the stream, around a number of mills, and even to this day there's still evidence of at least 13 of these mills still in exist. And talking of history, on old loose, once upon a time these would have been used. Can I stand here, or is that going to be a shot?
No, that's
I'm not going. I'm going to clear up.